let's quickly go over how to assemble the cone piece for the Brick Blaster. So first of all, we're going to need 10 of these long TPU rails and 6 of these short ones. So we'll start with 6 of these long ones, and we're going to start from the small tapered side. And you can see here there's going to be 6 slots here. The rails only go in one way, so take a look at this cross section like that. And now I'm putting it into there. Hopefully you can see that. It's bending. Just push it in all the way, and then it'll straighten out and it's locked in. So do that to all 6 of these. Alright, so that this side is done. Now let's move on to this side. We'll grab the remaining 4 long TPU rails, and then on these, there's 4 protrusions here. I don't know if you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. On top of each of those, or built in, is 4 slots for these long ones. Let's put that in there. Okay. And then now for the short ones, right here on the wide rim, there's 6 slots for these short ones. Again, they only fit in one way. Same as the long one. There you go. That's it.